A very good morning to class 4th. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss chapter 2, Elephant Feast. But first of all, tell me, what is a habitat? The natural surroundings where a living being lives is called a habitat. Habitat provides a living being with everything it needs to survive. So tell me, what are the essential things that all living things need to survive? What is a need? A need is something that is necessary to live or survive. In order to survive, all living things need air, water, food, shelter, clothing. How would you feel if your home was taken away and you didn't have enough to eat? This is what happens with elephants in this story. This story is written by Suchanda Sarkar. She is a retired teacher, translator and writer of children's texts. She taught for 11 years in Nigeria and for 21 years in Kolkata. One of her great pleasure is to read children's literature. In her teaching career, she felt most fulfilled when she could open the door of the words of imagination for her pupils. Let us start the story. Once, Seher and Sadat asked their grandmother to tell them a story, and grandmother decided to tell a story about elephants who were organized, protective, unselfish and caring. Grandpa was a forest officer and was sent to Bendubi to check out the elephant menace. Bendubi is a forest outpost near Siliguri at the foothills of Himalayas. This area is also known as Dwars, which means doors to the mountains. The wild elephants wandered into the rice field and ate up the crops at the night. This action of the elephant is called as elephant menace. But what was the reason behind this? Grandpa got to know that a large part of the forest was cut down, leaving only a few narrow stretch of forest area. This was the forest where elephant lived. As their home was taken away and they didn't have enough food to eat, they started to invade the village and wandered in the rice field. Once, they even chased a man on the forest road and broke the wall of the house to feed their young ones. Once, the herd of elephants even attacked a granary where the farmers stored the grains. The herd approached the granary in a military order. The walls of the granary were thick and strong, but elephants seemed to have a plan. One of the largest elephants took a position at a corner of the granary and started pounding with its tusk. When it was tired, another took its place and then another till several bricks gave away. When they had a big hole enough for elephant to enter, they arranged themselves into 4 groups. Each group came in one by one to eat their fill. One elephant stood at a distance as a guard. After all the elephant has feasted to the fullest, the guard trumpeted loudly and the herd rushed off into the forest. This act of elephants shows that they were very intelligent, caring, protective and completely unselfish animals. But they did so because we made them to do this. We deprived them from their natural habitat. Seher and Sadat understood that all living beings on this earth have equal rights, the right to live, also the right to enjoy whatsoever is available on this planet. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.